It's time for our Wednesday grammar. Today you're going to need your classroom practice number 2. When we begin, the first thing we need is the 5 parts of a complete sentence. Let's review our jingle 2 so that we can get those answers. Jingle 2, class. A sentence is complete when 5 simple rules. It meets. It has a subject, and a verb, and it makes sense with every word. Add a capital letter, add a punctuation mark, and now our sentence has all its parts. But remember, subject and verb and complete sense with a capital letter and an end mark too. Our sentence is complete, and now we're through. In your sentence jingle, you just heard the 5 parts of a complete sentence. So, subject, verb, and complete sense with a capital letter and an end mark too. Those are the 5 things we're going to write right here. So, subject, verb, complete sense, with a capital letter and an end mark. All right, so those are the 5 parts of a complete sentence. Next, it says complete the analogy by filling in the circle beside the correct answer. So wing is to bird, as paw is to what? Well, a wing is a part of a bird. So a paw is a part of what? A dog, a baby, or a hat? 2 of those answers are absolutely ridiculous, so it should be pretty easy. A paw is a part of what? A dog, a baby, or a hat? Next, for exercise 3, it says to write the correct rule number beside each capitalization rule. Use reference 7 on page 24. Well, you don't need reference 7 out because I have our sheet from yesterday right here. From yesterday, we learned about our capitalization rules, all right? So, which rule says that you capitalize the first word of a sentence? If I'm looking here, capitalize, which rule? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 says capitalize the first word of a sentence. It's right here, number 1, first word of a sentence. So, for this, you'd write 1. Which rule says capitalize the pronoun I? Remember, I is always capitalized. Which word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8? 2, right? 2, the pronoun I. So 2 would go right here. Which one says you capitalize the name of people and pets? Hopefully you see it there for number 3, people and pets. So 3 would go right here. Days, months, and holidays. Hopefully you see it right here. Days, months, and holidays like Monday, July, October. Number 4. Number 5, capitalize the names of places on a map. Places on a map. Oh, that's right here in rule number 5. Names of businesses and organizations. Right here in number 6, businesses, organizations. All right. Now let's look at exercise 4. We got to do some editing. It says, write the correct capital letter above each capitalization mistake. So we've got some mistakes here that we need to fix. First one, the colorful butterflies of South America are amazing. Well, rule number 1 says we need to capitalize the first word of a sentence. So the first word, the, should be capitalized. Write a T above it. The colorful butterflies. This doesn't need to be capitalized because it's not a specific butterfly, right? It's just saying butterflies. Just like you wouldn't capitalize dog, you wouldn't capitalize butterflies. Colorful butterflies of South America. Well, now that's a place on a map. That's a place on a map. So South and America would both be capitalized. and then are amazing. Those are only 3 mistakes in that sentence. So we have the colorful butterflies of South America are amazing. All right. Next, above each capital letter, write the rule number that explains it. So, did you see a huge sea turtle on the shore of the Atlantic Ocean? Which rule says that we capitalize the first word of a sentence? Rule number 1. So, above this, you just write a 1. Then, which rule says that you capitalize Atlantic Ocean? Well, what is Atlantic Ocean? Is it a person? No. A pet? No. A day, month, holiday? No. Place on a map? Yeah, that's a place on a map. So that would be number 5. Atlantic Ocean. Excellent. When you're done with that, you are done with grammar for the day. So go ahead and make sure that makes it back into your Wednesday folder. Check it off on your weekly checklist, and good luck on the rest of your work today.